What's up YouTube, welcome back to another video, and today I am going to show you what I have installed in my FZ25. I mean, now it's gonna be FZS25 Dark Knight Edition. मजाक कर रहा हूँ। मैंने एक छोटा सा वाइज़र ऑर्डर किया था, that is the original visor for FZS25. Just stay tuned, I'll be showing it to you in a short while, and along with that I will also mention the part names and the part numbers. और आप ये parts आप Yamaha के कोई भी सर्विस सेंटर में ऑर्डर कर सकते हो. Just in case they don't take your orders, you can mail Yamaha as well with the part numbers. And मुझे ये almost 14 days में मिल गया, all thanks to Accord Yamaha, that is near Kamarhati in Kolkata. So if you want, I'll share his number, you can order it too if you are based in Kolkata, and if you're not, you have to try your luck from the nearest Yamaha service center. If you have purchased an FZ25, not FZS25, and you want a good visor for your bike, so you can try and use this visor. I'll just change my angle for a while, just stay tuned. So here's how it is looking right now. You can see this windshield right here. It's a very good fit. I mean, ये तो stock ही है FZS25 का. You'll need this along with a meter cover. I'll share the part numbers with you, so just stay tuned, and I hope you like this look. It kind of looks pretty good and decent, at least from my point of view. I don't know if you have mixed feelings, but मुझे लग रहा है कि ये अभी बाइक का लुक कंप्लीट बना दिया. So this is how the bike looks right now from my angle. मेरे हिसाब से this visor is not too huge or not too small. This is looks quite good, the Dark Knight Edition. So if you want something जो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा ही wind blast रोके, then you might be needing something like this. You can get Luvia, but come on, this is cost effective and this is not ruining the naked look as well. This gets the work done. This has enhanced the look according to me. The reason I didn't install the hand guards is that मुझे hand guards honestly just proper adventure bike में ही hand guard सही लगता है. I had it on my Hornet, but I'm not a good fan of it. I guess I'll just get the lever guards, lever protectors or stuff that will look quite better on it. So that's it, and I just wanted to share my experience because I feel this is the best visor for FZ25 right now. आप थोड़ा मेहनत करोगे, थोड़ा patience लोगे, and I didn't tell you that you will be needing for total of 8 screw sets as well. So आप कोई भी local bike spare parts का shop में जाओगे, and if you show them the visor and that मीटर कवर आप दोनों दिखाना, तो वो लोग आपको जो पार्ट्स लगेगा वो लोग दे देंगे. दैट विल कॉस्ट यू लाइक 50-60 bucks, नॉट मोर देन दैट. सो इंस्टॉलेशन चार्जेस वाज जस्ट 200 bucks अलॉन्ग विद द पार्ट्स. एंड इसके अलावा मुझे तो लग रहा है ये काफ़ी स्टर्डी है, स्टेबल है. मैं और एक चीज़ करने वाला हूँ जो कि द नंबर प्लेट लुक्स क्वाइट अगली ओवर देयर ऑन द टॉप. नंबर प्लेट को मैं शायद देखता हूँ, नंबर प्लेट रिलोकेटर अगर मिल गया तो सही है, तो मैं उसको नीचे लेके आ जाऊँगा. फ़िलहाल के लिए इतना ही. सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब, शेयर, फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टा, DM me your queries, feel free to ask me anything. आप मुझसे कुछ भी पूछ सकते हो.